We're in the Jewish quarter in the center of Calcutta, and this is where the Jews, about 10,000 of them here, now there's only 12 left. They came here under tolerance, basically. So therefore this was a place where it was harmonious and they could move here and live. They ended up building synagogues here and also building up businesses and then also property as well. The main thing also what they left for me are the bakeries.
So, Will, we are going to this Sephardic Jewish bakery. It's from 1902.
Okay, so this is the first Jewish, not the first, but one of the oldest Jewish bakeries in the area.
This is the only Jewish bakery?
The only Jewish.
There is a reason for it. There were 6,000. As Israel got independence, there was a call from Israel that you come back to your promised land. All of them went back except few hundreds, and that has dwindled into now 20. But the family is still there.
Wow.
Of the Nahoums.
And this was 1902, first started.
They are Baghdadi Jews and started by Israel Nahoum.
Yeah.
And then Isaac Nahoum took over, and then there is a sister.
Okay.
But now what we have today is their management is mostly by locals.
Yeah.
Their chefs are mostly Muslims, and they are dishing out mostly Sephardic Jewish desserts, at the same time even English desserts.
English desserts, a bit of from the old colonial days, etc. as well. So I see over there a bit of a lovely jam tart. I haven't had a jam tart since I was back home,
And
probably
let's
about
have
20 years ago.
Let's have it.
Okay. So this is the jam tart that they have. And to be honest, it doesn't look like a traditional jam tart.
Yeah.
It does look like a little bit of a Middle Eastern sort of biscuit that they serve
Yes.
with a little bit of strawberry jam.
Yes.
So
It's very tasty.
it reminds me of the English biscuits with the jam in it. Absolutely fantastic. Very British. Reminds me of the old childhood home, dunking in a bit of tea. Very, very good.
Yeah, we're going to...
And still kept from 1902. Amazing. Bit of history here. John Montagu, the 4th Earl of Sandwich, was apparently the inventor of the sandwich in 1762. The Earl was well known for his gambling habits. During one long session, he asked his maid to create something he could eat with one hand and not have to get up from his seat. And voila, there we have it, the sandwich. The sandwich, originally from Great Britain, took on a whole nother level when it was taken to India. It suddenly became tasty, interesting, flavoursome, and creative.
So this place is there for one of the best sandwiches of Calcutta. It's
Sandwiches?
Yes, and I know it sounds weird that I'm trying to, make you taste a sandwich, but our sandwiches are much fresh with ingredients, with a lot of clarity and transparency. It has got amazing chicken, dry gravy curry, and lots of vegetables. It's kind of our pret a manger.
We are on the most busiest street corner, and it is just honking 24/7.
Yes.
So excuse the noise, but that is Kolkata.
Yes, that's what it is. It's all the flavor. Otherwise, he would not be able to make this great sandwich. Okay.
So basically, last time I had a chicken sandwich was on British Rail, and it was Coronation Chicken. So this is basically Calcutta's version of it. Let's have a taster.
Let's have it.
So you got the chicken in here, you got onion, you got potato, you got cucumber. And it's very, very good.
Yep.
Is the gravy with yogurt in it?
No.
No?
No. It's with turmeric and other dry spices.
Okay.
A very mild chicken.
Yeah. British Rail, eat your heart out. This is 100 times better.